The Sandoval Family Law firm provides legal services for families dealing with divorce, child custody, and more. If it's important to you, it's important to them. Raul Sandoval Jr. is a board-certified family law attorney, and he's here to talk to us this morning about both your rights and your children's rights during a divorce. Good morning, Raul.
Good morning.
Raul, can somebody keep the other parent in their situation from moving out of, let's say, the area or maybe even the state with their kids?
Yes, through the divorce process or through just a custody process in and of itself, a parent can do that, and the reason for that is primarily because the idea is that both parents should have that access, that frequent and continuing access with the child or children. And so that's why residency restriction orders are very common in a divorce with custody case or just a custody case. If a parent is anticipating and knows that that's going to happen in terms of the breakup of the marriage, or if their relationship with that outside of the marriage and there's just a custody situation, if they know that that's just not going to work out, you need to get the process started, because if without that, both parents have the right to a child or children as far as where that child or children should live. And so before getting that process started, you really don't have a court order or anything else in place to forbid the other parent from moving out of the area or moving out of the state or even out of the country for that matter. And so you really want to get that process started, because once you get the divorce or custody process started, there's an initial standing order in mostly all Central Texas counties where once you get that process started, you can restrict where that residence is going to be. Beyond that, whether it's through a written agreement or a court order from a judge, most judges will order those residency restrictions, because that's really important. That's one of the most important things, is so that both parents can have that access to the child or children. And so they're very common. So for instance, if the parents live in Travis County, most judges will order that the child's residence should be restricted to within Travis County, because Travis County is so big and we have a huge traffic problem. Occasionally, depending on other circumstances, it could be within Travis and contiguous counties. So that gives you an example of what a lot of Central Texas judges can do.
Okay, all right. So if someone's thinking about doing something like this, as you said, you need to get the ball rolling now.
Right.
Raul, thank you so much. We appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Sandoval Family Law is based in Austin and serves clients throughout the Central Texas area. Call 512-580-2449 or go to sandovalfamilylaw.com for more details.